Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Easter Bunny cinnamon rolls. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need some of the Grand's cinnamon rolls. They have to be the kind that you can pull apart like these. And then whatever else you want, you could just leave it at that. I'm going to add some fun sprinkles that are Eastery and maybe some eyeballs. And then I might try to make a mouth and some whiskers. We'll see. Preheat the oven to 350 and line a large cookie sheet with parchment paper. Next, you just want to unroll all of your cinnamon rolls and then just shape them into a bunny. That's all I did right here with all 5 of them. You can kind of press them down so they stay together. You want to bake your cinnamon rolls per the back of the package, and then I just removed mine from the oven and I'm going to let them cool about 5 minutes before I put the frosting on and decorate them. My little Easter Bunny cinnamon rolls have all been decorated. You can do yours however you want. I think they look so cute and I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. We've got one here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey Taste Tester, hi. Have a little taste. Okay.
That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.